Okay, so in the data validation, so what I'm going to do is this called as data validation. So in this data validation, first thing is you need to create a function. So what is a function keyword? And then what is a function name? It is a of. So now we are going to assign some variable name for this. So variable b. So b is equals to what? I'm going to get the value of document dot, what is this, my form, right? So just put this my form instead of get mail id. Okay, my form. So in that what I need, this mail, copy this mail and dot value. I'm going to fetch this value. So here the first thing is you need to check art and the dot position, so where it are exactly placed. Okay, I need to check the position for this value. So if you see the methods which is in the string, so string methods, so we'll call it as index of. So index of in JavaScript methods, what indicates, so it will show what exactly it is placed. Example, it did the position of the first occurrence of the value in a string. So where it exactly placed first. Okay, so for that I'm giving at position. This is my variable name. If you want to change, you can change. Now b dot. So I have captured this details in this value, right? So directly I'm giving it as a b variable. So after giving it as a b variable, what happened is I need to check. I need to check an index of. This is my index of. So in this, the first occurrence of this position, I'm going to guess. So what the first occurrence? So add. So where the add exactly placed. Just copy this and put it here. So now, sometimes what happened is we'll have some two dots in the mail ID, right? So it will be co dot n or something like that, ac dot n. So it varies. So for that purpose, I'll change this to be a dot position, a b index, b of last index of. Okay, this is gonna be a last index of, and I'll remove this to p dot. Okay, so after getting these information, I'm going to check, is this a valid one? So to check whether it is valid or not, we obviously go to the statements, right? If statements. So here, just copy this at position and check whether it is a greater than 1. Okay. If it is a greater than 1, what happens? So there must be a only 1, right, at Gmail. So example, let's take for an example. So I have something called Uma at review dot ac.in. So something like this. So at should be, I have only one at in the mail ID. Okay. So if it is the at position is greater than or it is lesser than 1, then go here and give OR operator. So we already know what is OR operator. So OR operator is example. So to use that, yes, Tejaswini, please be on mute now.
Mark next.
Tejaswini. Tejaswini, where is she? Please be on mute. So here it is called as a bitwise OR. So in this OR, if my if condition is the first one is false and the other one is true, so what will be the value I'll get? It is also true. So either one value is true, then the output will be true. Okay. So just come here and now what I will do is I'm going to get the last index of this dot. Okay, so just check the dot position minus at position. So that is minus these two things. So if it is less than 2, so it is 2 is greater than these things, we minus this. If it is less than this, so what happens is parameters. So this is one condition. Okay, so I'll give here if condition statement. So now here I will give, I'll throw an alert message. So please enter the correct mail ID. This is a message I will. Okay, so next one is document dot my form dot mail. That is your variable B. Okay, it should be focused and return false. And in this place, I will mention return true. Let's check the output. So it is saying please enter the, actually this is correct one only. If it is less than one means there is no, nothing is there, right? So 1 minute. I should check whether it is correct. Close this. See here, if I put something wrong, what happened? So please include some error is throwing, right? So this is how it will be. Okay. So there is no add. So again, I'm giving add and dot in. So if there is nothing is there, it's showing something. Enter the correct mail ID. If it is empty, then it will show these kind of things. So this is what a simple example for data validation. So if you want, I can give more example for this because this is very, very important. Data validation is. So do you need more example on this or we'll move on to the next one? Are you clear with this, what we are doing? Okay. So better we'll have one more example. And we have in the form validation, we'll have some example for this, how to create some forms and how we can do some functionality on that. Okay, so it's a lifetime example. So give me 1 minute.